Hello. So I have a William Henry folding knife for you to take a look at here. I didn't have the specifications for this particular knife, so I went online, and William Henry actually has a nice online archive of their knives, and using that I was able to narrow down the model of this particular knife. So that's a really nice online resource to have. So I was able to identify this as a Monarch B05 TBPB. This particular model was a limited edition of 500. This one is 42. Now it features sapphire inlays in the thumb stud and button lock. They have a bluish hue to them. Now there's an aerospace grade titanium handle that has black palm inlays on both sides. Really nice looking wood. There's a titanium pocket clip which is reversible. You can put it in either direction. Now this measures 3 1/4 inches when it's closed and 5 3/4 inches when it is fully open. The blade itself is about 2 5/8 inches long. It's really sturdy. There's no wobble in there. The blade has a satin finish, nice and shiny there. Got a little bit of my hand oil there on it. Now the blade itself is a tungsten DLC coated ZDP 189 core stainless, and it has a Rockwell hardness of 67, and that's actually on the blade. It's a really nice knife. William Henry in general makes really exquisite, beautiful knives. Now this particular knife is going to be listed on eBay, so if you are interested in this knife, feel free to try to buy this. Thank you for watching.